Here's an example of a visual scene display that I created as a Boardmaker activity during a free trial of Boardmaker 7 online. And you can see some of the hotspots I have dotted, so it's obvious that there's a hotspot, and some I don't. The one in the top left corner opens up a video.
To infinity and beyond!
So you can have multiple hotspots.
Let's go down the slide. I want to swing.
So I have some link to recorded audio, and that one in the top left corner plays a video. You could have multiple hotspots with videos. The background picture could be whatever you choose. So if you're wanting to create a visual scene for a body and then have videos related to the body parts, it could easily be created in Boardmaker 7 online. You can do the free trial. Once that free trial ends, you still have access to play your activities. You just need to make sure that they are saved in your Snap Activities folder. Hope this helps.